Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Abdul Karim. My metric number is 20231263 and 93. And I'm from ED246, which is Physical Education. So basically nowadays, most of the people have their own smartphone, right? When we talk about smartphone, there are many types of smartphone, which means it have different types of USB cable that phone use. The main types of USB cable that famous now is Lightning for iPhone, Type C and Micro for Android. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the worldwide brands USB cable, which is McDodo. Do you ever heard about it? These brands of USB cable now were very famous. So, why I said this kind of USB cable now are very famous? It is because there are a few advantages of these USB cable brands that other brands cannot compete. First and foremost, it has auto-cut function, which is when our smartphone are fully charged, it will stop the current flow. Second, it was hardly because the material were used are PVC, which is non-flammable, strong and weather resistant. As you can see, this is one of example McDodo USB cable. And last but not least, this type of USB cable are easy to store because it more light and elastic. As you can see, this one is the example of USB cable. I can easily store this USB cable in my sling bag, my class bag, or something like that. So, if you interested in this product, you kindly can DM me on my Instagram or you can WhatsApp me. So that's all from me. Thank you.